Autumn, wait! Don't leave so soon. We've yet so many hills to climb, so much to see, so much to share, and we have so little time. Oh, Autumn, wait! Your memories can soothe the lonely heart that grieves. It's been so long since I've walked down winding lanes of golden leaves. I've missed the sweet serenity that follows gray November rain. October's umber sunsets so lashed across leaden skies again, the shadowed flames beyond the grate where firelight flickers. Oh, Autumn, wait.